Welcome to this July 1st edition of What's Happening in Crypto with the Crypto Lark, broadcasting to you from New Zealand and bringing you all of the latest from the crypto world and beyond. Bitcoin, $6,360, up 4.8% in the last 7 days. Crypto markets and crypto investors have all breathed a sigh of relief with a big bump happening in the markets yesterday. Even though we are seeing a bit of red currently, we have seen a very nice movement in the last 24 hours, but we are still very far from out of the woods. PricewaterhouseCoopers report finds that 2018 ICO volume is already double that of the previous year. We are well and truly entering ICO madness. So many ICOs are coming out. ICOs for everything. Before you know it, your mom is going to be having an ICO. This is the direction we are moving in. In fact, a scooter company is raising $125 million, issuing their own cryptocurrency for a scooter company. Everyone is tokenizing. Everyone is hopping on the ICO bandwagon because it is offering such an amazing potential for investors to get involved, and it's offering such an amazing tool for companies to raise funds without necessarily having to give a lot back. Curious markets we live in, without a doubt. Tata ICO hosts the world's third largest ICO. This is the ICO you probably haven't heard of because they sold only to private investors, raising $575 million. In fact, this ICO reads like the plot of a B-grade Hollywood movie. Prince Felix of Luxembourg, Lady Monica Baccardi, and an Italian film producer all come together to host an ICO. Can't make this stuff up, guys. We already have some films ready to be launched on Tata ICO. Now, essentially, they want to totally shake up the way that content consumption happens, where you can actually get rewarded in digital tokens for watching things, partaking in ads, etc. And we've got a great film coming up. This seems like a teenage boy's wet dream. A Lamborghini film starring Antonio Banderas and Alec Baldwin. Feels like a crypto joke, but it's really what they're doing. Cool. TechCrunch, speaking of the ICO madness that we have going on, over 1,000 crypto projects are considered dead.
Bring out your dead. Here's one. Ninepence.
I'm not dead.
What? Nothing. Here's your ninepence.
I'm not dead.
Here. He says he's not dead.
Yes, he is.
I'm not.
He isn't.
Well, he will be soon. He's very ill.
I'm getting better.
No, you're not. You'll be stone dead in a moment.
Of course, you do have to consider that we are investing in startup companies when we invest in ICOs, and that there are so many projects out there. Things happen. Marketing fails. Projects fail to get developed. People get hit by buses. I don't want anyone to get hit by a bus, but it does happen. Projects do fail, and we will see more projects failing. This is something that is going to continue happening. So, of course, you have to do your own research. You have to be diligent. There are amazing opportunities out here in the crypto market for the savvy investor, of course. Speaking of promising projects, we have just had VeChain launching their mainnet. Very exciting news for VeChain. And of course, Ontology also going live on their mainnet. Two very exciting projects that have massive community enthusiasm behind them. I am personally very excited to see where both of these projects go now that we have mainnets. Obviously, VeChain has more partnerships than God. And Ontology, also incredibly promising, great partnerships, great ideas, and very high-level support. Walmart, yes, everyone's least favorite small shop destroying mega conglomerate is going blockchain. In fact, this is not their first foray into the blockchain world. They actually already have a patent for pharmaceuticals on the blockchain. Now they are joining a consortium with all of our favorite companies: Nestle, Dole, Driscoll's, McCormick, McLean, Tyson Foods, Unilever. It's a corporate party, guys. And Walmart is hosting the party, so to speak. Now, not only will Walmart know what pharmaceuticals you're consuming or which ones to give you, they'll know why you got sick eating food at Walmart. Over in the EU leaders agree to extend sanctions on Russia. The follow-up to this article, while ignoring Israel and Saudi Arabia and the United States' continued global atrocities. Now, Russia responded to this by not giving a toss at all. Russia's biggest payment system, Kiwi, to open a crypto investment bank. Kiwi is everywhere. If you ever go to Russia, there are little terminals everywhere in Russia. In every corner store, you will find a Kiwi terminal. You can pay your bills and top up your phone. Now we're going to see a crypto investment bank opening up as well. That's pretty big, and that could really go for mass adoption of crypto in Russia. Russia, financial university to store diplomas via blockchain. Great place to put diplomas, without a doubt. Don't have to worry about losing it. It's just sitting on the blockchain somewhere for people to verify. And unfortunately, a cryptocurrency law that has been proposed and has been being kicked around the Russian parliament will be delayed. Why? Because it's summer and no one cares. Unfortunately, probably has something to do with the World Cup too, to be honest. I imagine most of the lawmakers are off watching games or going to the Black Sea and lying on the beach. Cryptocurrencies are just gonna have to wait until autumn. And our final story of the day, big floods hit Sichuan province in China, washing away thousands to tens of thousands of Bitcoin ASIC miners. Maybe we'll actually see a reduction in the hash rate. Now, I know that China has been trying to flood the global market with Bitcoin miners, but this is really taking it to the extreme, isn't it? And finally, just a quick reminder, come and join the live stream tomorrow, Monday, 2 p.m. New Zealand time. For a lot of you guys, that will be Sunday night in your part of the world. We'll be talking about investment strategies during a bear market. Also, we got 2 great giveaways going on this week. We have 10,000 AdBank tokens to give away to 6 different winners. And we also have eComi hardware wallets to give away. 3 of those to give away as well. Details will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let me know what you think about any of today's news stories in the comment section down below. Join the conversation over on Twitter. Share these videos around the internet to help our community grow. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.